Hi, my name is HSLDA, and I'm one of the teachers here at HSLDA Chemistry Labs, and so we're going to basically give you an overview of what Chapter 1 is going to be all about. In this chapter, we're really going to talk about what chemistry is and how it relates to the other sciences, and the biblical perspective of chemistry. Let's see. It is important for students to finish this chapter with a clear understanding of how science works and how it should be viewed from a biblical perspective. So in this chapter, you're going to be talking about what chemistry is, and basically the road to chemistry, why it's important. This is one of my favorite ones, is why it's important. I really like that section over there, and talking about how God created us and God created chemistry for us to really dig deeper into who he is and what he is. I think my favorite story that I would tell about that is I've dedicated my life to studying science. And one of the things I love seeing in science is the more I learn about science, the more of God's fingerprint I can see clearer. I can see how he's made a very comprehensible world. And I think that it was Albert Einstein that said that one of the most incomprehensible things is how comprehensible the world is. You're also going to be seeing chemistry in action, and this is a really nice section to see how chemistry is used, going over the scientific process and talking about hypothesis and experiments. And you're going to be are you going to be doing a lab? Yeah. You're going to be doing a lab. It's the Scientific Investigation A, and it's with a little helicopter thing. And this one has a little bit less to do with chemistry and more to do with how to do the scientific method and how to set things up. So this lab's not going to be that bad because actually all of the answers are directly in the book for you at the end of the lab. But there are parts where you'll need to supply your own answers. And obviously, I don't want you to just type up the answers from here and input that into your lab report. I'd like for you to try to come up with the answers without looking at this as best as you can. And then after that, you can look at this and see if your answers kind of relate. This is one of the only labs where I'm going to give you the answers directly. So that way you can kind of get an idea of the standard that we're looking for. You'll have to run the experiment yourself because all of the answers here will vary just a little bit. These numbers shouldn't be the same, and if everyone gets the exact same numbers, then I know that something's going on, something's wrong with that. But that's what Chapter 1's all about.